Good morning, student. Today we are going to discuss chapter 6 integers exercise 6.3 question number 3. Question 3 have fill in the blanks. Student, one question arises in your mind, what is integers? All positive numbers with all negative numbers with a zero is called integers. You can say -3, -2, -1, comma 0 before it, a lot of numbers, 1, 2, 3, and so on. All these numbers are called integers. Here in this exercise, we are try to learn how to subtract, how to add the two or more integers. So question number 3 is here, fill in the blanks. In these questions we use addition and subtraction of two integers. Okay, if you add same times of two integers and opposite signs like this, -10 plus 10, when you sum it you obtain 0. This is equal to 0. Or you solve this plus 10 minus 10. This is equal to also 0. Okay, and sometimes we write it like that, 10 minus 10. This is also 0. Okay, and in this question, a part of question number 3, -8 plus what you write here, then v is equal to, we find is equal to 0. So we can solve two types such question. First type is that if we add two same quantity numbers but their sign is opposite signs, like this here, -10 plus 10, this is equal to 0, plus 2 minus 2, this is equal to 0. If you add some two quantity have same but opposite sign, here you can see 2 2 but their sign are different. These two have sign positive and these two have sign negative. If such types numbers we sum it, then you obtain result is 0, like this, minus 5 plus write 5, this is equal to 0. Okay, because you can write 5 minus 5 0. So similarly you can apply this idea here, -8 and what here we add in -8 there to find 0. If you suppose you take 10, okay, so if you take 10 -8 plus 10, suppose not clear, this become -8, this become plus 10. So you can see here, this is 10 is greater than 8, and here difference is possible because both integers have different sign. So 10 minus 8 is equal to 2, but our need to obtain 0. Okay, so in such case, if result is 0, in such case we need to date numbers, date integers in different sign, in opposite signs. Here you can see this is -8, then opposite of -8 is +8, opposite of -8, this is +8. If you add them, then you obtain result 0. So you can write here +8. Okay, I hope all of you understood. When the result is 0, it means that if one number is negative, then we can write same number in opposite signs. Here -8, so here you can write +8. So then they will 0. And second way is that you can solve such question like that. This is -8. Okay, this is plus, this is dash, fill in the blanks, and this is equal to 0. So you can write here, sorry, this is equal to 0. So you can take here, suppose this is a t, any letter t. Okay, -8 plus t, this is equal to 0. After this, what I will do, you can write it, this is minus 8, this is plus 2. We say we let here we fill t, and this is equal to 0. Now after this we transfer this minus 8 to right side. This is left side, this is right side. When we transfer this 8 to right side, the sign will change. Here this left side, the sign of 8 is minus. When we reach right side, the sign of this 8 is becomes plus. Look, we transferring this 8 to right side. Okay, when in left side we have only t, and right side we have 0 plus we transfer this minus 8. When he reached in that side, the sign of these numbers will change. Okay, so opposite of minus is plus and opposite of plus is minus. So here minus sign, then the sign of opposite this become plus. 0 plus 8 is equal to what? 8. 0 plus 8 is equal to 8. So you can write here in place of t is 8 because you find here this is 8. So we can write here 8 because you find the value of t is 8. Okay, so this is clear. 8 we can solve both way. We find in place fill in the blanks is 8, opposite of these numbers. Okay, so let's see B part of question number 3. B part is plus 13 and 13 plus fill in the blanks is equal to 0. So you can see again here 13 plus something is equal to 0. So what you will add in 13 that you obtain result 0. You have any numbers, any ideas to add in 13 some numbers that result will be 0. If you add any positive integers, positive numbers like this 1, 2, 13 plus 1, then the value of this sum is more than 13. Okay, if you subtract like any other negative number like minus 2, so plus minus minus 13 minus 2, this is equal to 11. Okay, so but here result is 0, so we add the same number but opposite sign. So here number is 13, result is 0, and this is a plus, so we add here same number with opposite sign. So number is 13, and here the sign of 13 is nothing but positive. Okay, here the sign of 13 is nothing, but you can see this is a positive integers. Okay, so opposite of this 13 is we write a negative integer. So 13 plus 13 and minus 13. If the you sum of plus 13 and minus 13, then you find result will be 0. Now C part of this question, 12 plus minus 12. This is C part, 12 plus minus 12 is equal to what? Okay, so this is 12. So we can write this 12 like this, but here plus into minus. This is equal to minus. You know very well, and that if minus into minus, this is equal to plus, minus into plus, this is equal to minus, plus into minus, and this is equal to minus, plus into plus, this is equal to plus. Okay, so here plus into minus, this is equal to minus, so you can write here minus 12. So minus 12, 12 minus 12, 12 minus 12, this is equal to 0. You can write like this, 12 minus minus 12, so 2 minus 2, this is equal to 0, and 1 minus 1, this is equal to 0. Also you can write this is a 0. So here when you sum the number, two numbers with opposite sign, when you sum to same numbers with opposite sign, the result will be 0. Here you can see 12, 12, but this 12 is positive and this 12 is negative. So their sum is 0. So you can write here 0. Now D part of this question, 3. D is -4 plus dash, this is equal to -12. Okay, so what do you add in -4, then you obtain -12. Okay, so if you add positive numbers here, okay, then we obtain not this result. Okay, so how we solve this? Suppose we put here t. Okay, so this becomes -4 plus t, this is equal to -12. Okay, now we transpose, this is a left side and this is a right side. We transferring this -4 to right side. Okay, if we transfer this -4 to right side, then this number, the sign of this integers will be a change. Okay, so we write in right side the sign of 4 is opposite of minus sign. So here this is negative sign. Here if it reach the right hand side, it become positive. So in left hand side we have only t. This is equal to -12, and when you reach them -4 in right hand side, this becomes 4 plus 4. Okay, so here -12 plus 4. So 12 is greater than 4. So we subtract 4 from 12, then we obtain 8. What we obtain? 8. So what is the sign of 8? We use sign of 8 is greater number sign. So greater number is 12. The sign of 12 is minus. So you can write here minus. So one way is here we put the place of t, or you can say we fill this blanks -8. Okay, now we solve them, and we verify that if you sum -4 and -8, then this is equal to -12 or not. Okay, so let's see. This is -4 plus -8. Okay, so this is -4, you can write it only -4, no problem. But here you can see plus into minus, plus into minus, this is equal to minus. So you can write here -8. So here you can see -4 and -8 both have same size. 4 have negative sign and 8 have also negative sign. If sign have same, then you can add the both integers and use the greater integer sign. Okay, so here greater integer is minus, so use the minus sign here, and both have minus sign, then we add them. So 8 plus 4 is equal to 12. So you can see here our, here is also 12. So you can say our number is right here. We fill -8, this is right. When we add -4 plus -8, we obtain -12. Okay, now next part of this question, E part, is that E part of question number 3 is, this is a fill in the blanks. Okay, after this plus, this is equal to -15. Only here will be -15. This is equal to 0. What number we write here? That we subtract 15, that we obtain 0. So obviously when we obtain 0, if two numbers we subtract, same two numbers, this is equal to 0, like that 5 minus 5, this is 0, 10 minus 10, this is 0, 2 minus 2, this is 0. So we can write here 15 minus 15. This is 0. So here minus 15. So we can write here 15. So 15 minus 15, this is equal to 0. Okay. This is very easy to fill these blanks. 15 minus 15 is equal to 0 because here minus 15 is given and result will be 0. It means that when result is 0, it means that the same numbers but opposite side. Opposite sign is we can write here. This here is minus 15, so we can write here plus 15. Then the result will be 0. So in this way we are completed question number 3 of this exercise 6.3 of integers chapter 6. Now we are going to discuss 4 question of this exercise. Find in question 4, this is given, find the following values. A part of question number 4 is minus 7, minus 8, minus 25. So first step you can write minus 7, we write as it is. After this is minus 8, also write as it is, but here you can see this is minus, this is minus. Okay, so minus into minus, here minus into minus, this is equal to plus. So also you can write minus into minus, this is equal to plus. So you can write 25 plus 25. And here you can see first we take 2 integers and after this we solve them. Here minus 7 and this is minus 8. Both have same sign, minus sign, and then we add them. Okay, so here this is minus 7, minus 8. So 8 plus 7. Then we add, if they have same sign, then we add them. So 7 plus 8, this is equal to 15. So what is the sign of 15? Because both are minus, so we can write here minus. Okay, sign of 15 is minus. After this we have plus 25. So in next step you can write it plus 25 as it is. Okay, so you can see here this is a minus 15 and this is a plus 25. So you can subtract 15 from 25. So also you can write it like this. We first rearrange it. We first write 25. This is positive because here this is a positive integers. Okay, so here the symbol of plus is hide, and you can write here minus 15 because this is a 15 minus integers. So 25 minus 15 is equal to 10. Okay, here this means that this is minus 15, this is plus 25. It means that we subtract 15 from 25. So also you can rearrange this data and you can write 25 minus 15. This is equal to 10. Now B part of these questions. B part of this question is that minus 13 plus 32 minus 8 minus 1. Okay, this is given. We need to evaluate this, find the value of them. So first to write it like this, minus 13 plus 32, here minus 8 and minus 1. Okay, so first we take any 2 integers. So first we take both integers. This is minus 13, this is plus 32. So minus 13 plus 32, it means that we subtract 13 from 32. When we subtract 13 from 32, then we obtain here 19. You can see here 32, this is positive integer and this is a 13 negative integers. Okay, so here we are 2 minus 3 is equal to, this is not possible, 3 minus 2 is not possible, then we take 1 carry. So this is equal to 12. So 12 minus 3 is equal to 9. Okay, and here we have only 2, not 3. So 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. Okay, so you can write here 19 the sign of 90 is plus because 32 is greater than 13. So because we use the sign of greater numbers, so this is a minus 19. After this, here we can write minus 8 minus 1. Okay, so this is equal to 90 minus, you can see here minus 8 minus 1, both have same sign, negative integers. Okay, both have negative sign. So minus 8 minus 1 is equal to, you can plus them with negative sign. So 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. So you can write here minus 9. Okay, so 19 minus 9, this is equal to 10. 19 minus 9, this is equal to 10. Okay, so in this question you can see here minus 13 plus 32 minus 8 minus 1, this is given. So we can write 13 minus 13 as it is, and after this 32 minus 8 minus 1. Okay, so first we calculate 32 plus 32 minus 13, then we obtain 19, and in here minus 8 and minus 1 we write as it is here. So minus 8 and minus 1 both are same sign, so you can add them. So 8 plus 1 is equal to 9 with negative sign. So here we have 19 minus 9, then we obtain 10. Now the next part of this question, C part, is that minus 7 plus minus 8 plus minus 8 again plus minus 90. Clear? This is given. Minus 7 plus minus 8 plus 19, this is given here. So first we can write is minus 7 as it is here, plus into minus, plus into minus, plus into minus, this is equal to minus. So you can write here minus 8. Again this is plus into minus, plus into minus, this is equal to minus. So you can write here a minus 90. Okay, so first we take both integers, this and this. Here you can see minus 7 minus 8, both sign have same, this is negative integer. So first we add them with a negative sign. So 7 plus 8 is 15, and the sign of 15 is negative because both have negative signs. And this, after this we write minus 19 as it is. Okay, so you can see here, now you can see here, this is minus 15, this is minus 90. Okay, so they have same sign, minus. So first we write here minus, after this we add them. Okay, so 15 plus 90, what is the 15 plus 90? This is equal to 105. 105, and the sign of 105 is negative because both have negative integers. So here 105 is also negative integers. This is clear? Now we are going to discuss D part of this question number 4. This is D part of question number 4. 50 minus 40 minus minus 2. This is given. We find the value of these problems. So we can write here 50 as it is, and you know minus into minus. This is minus, out of bracket is minus, and inside bracket is also minus. So minus minus, this is equal to plus. This is a plus, and you write 40 as it is. Okay, after this you can see here minus minus plus. So we can write this is plus 2. Now 50 is plus positive integers, 40 is positive integers, so you can add them. So 50 plus 40, this is equal to 90 plus 2. Both are positive integers, then we also add them. 90 plus 90 plus 2, this is equal to 92. Okay, so here you can see 50 minus 40 minus 2. So minus plus you know very well. So we write here 50 minus plus 40, here minus plus 2. So 50 plus 40 is 90, plus 2 we write as it is, and 90 plus 2, this is equal to 92. Now E part of this question is that this is the E part of question number 4. 8 minus 6 plus minus 2 minus 3 plus 1. Okay, so first we write this 8 minus 6 plus minus 2. Okay, plus into minus, this is equal to minus, so we can write here minus 2. Here minus into minus, this is equal to plus, we can write plus 3, plus 1, we write as it is. Now first we solve, only take two integers like this here. 8 minus 2, this is equal 8 minus 6, 8 minus 6 is equal to 2. Of this here we write minus 2 plus 3 plus 1. Now 2 minus 2, this is equal to 0. 2 minus 2 is equal to 0, plus 3 minus 1, this is equal to 4. So 0 plus 4, this is equal to 4. So in this way you can see here, this is the E part of question number 4. 8 minus 6 plus minus 2 minus 3 plus 1. Okay, so we write here 8 as it is, and minus 6 plus into minus, this is equal to minus into minus, this is equal to plus, so we write here plus 3, and plus 1 we write as it is. Okay, after this you can say 8 minus 6, 8 minus 6 is equal to 2. So first we solve in two questions, two integers. 8 minus 2, this is equal to 2. After this we write minus 2 as it is, plus 3 as it is, and plus 1 as it is. After this we solve these two integers. So 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. This is equal to 0, and now we plus them. 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. So 0 plus 4 is equal to 4. Now we are going to solve next part of question number 4, means F part. This is the next part of question number 4, F part. Here this is given minus 11 minus 9 plus 5 minus 6 minus 3 plus 7. Okay, so we can solve this question in two way. First we group it, means same sign, same sign integers we write one side, and other sign integer we can write other side. Means we grouping it negative integer with together and positive integers together. Okay, and the second way is that we solve, take any two integers, and after this continue to solve it. So we solve like that. First we take these two integers. Okay, so 11 minus 9 is equal to 2. 11 minus 9 is equal to 2. 11 minus 9 is equal to 2. So here 2, and 5 minus 6 minus 3 plus 7 we write as it is. Okay, after this we take these two integers. Okay, so this is equal to 2 plus 5, this is equal to 7, and we write minus 6 as it is, minus 3 as it is, plus 7 as it is. Okay, after this we take these two integers. 7 minus 6 is equal to 1, this is minus 3, this is plus 6. Okay, so you can see here minus 1 plus 1 plus 7, plus 1 plus 7 is 8. You can write here 8, this is minus 3. So 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. So in this way you can solve this sum of given integers by single methods, and you obtain the value of this integers is 5. So student, I hope all of you understood and how to subtract or add the two or more integers. Thank you for watching. Jai Hind.